Hello there, and today I'm going to show you how to get a really small balloon inside a bigger balloon, a balloon within a balloon. You need one 260 diamond clear balloon. Inflate it about halfway. Let a little bit of air out. Tie your knot. Make sure it's nice and secure. Give the balloon a bit of a squeeze and a stretch. Keep it nice and soft. And you're going to make a really small one finger bubble balloon. As small as you possibly can make it. Just like that. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to take this balloon and I'm going to push it as far as I possibly can inside the rest of the balloon with my right hand, the fingers and the thumb, just like this. Okay, just like that. And then I'm going to grip it with my fingers on my left hand, and as I withdraw my finger, this finger, the index finger, I'm just going to try, you hear that, and let the air out. Make a knot. And there we have a balloon in a balloon. Okay, this does take a little bit of practice. As you can see, it's quite fiddly. But anyway, thank you for watching this video. And until next time, goodbye from Martin's Circus Skills Workshops.